Pipedrive is a sales CRM, the all-in-one growing sales platform for all the businesses. With Pipedrive, one can send an email directly from a deal page using the templates. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. To send an email directly, the first step is to have your email connected with the settings. Let's see the dashboard of Pipedrive. Here one has all the options. Getting an email into Pipedrive is to use the BCC feature and also be able to send an email directly from Pipedrive. One needs to be only advanced or higher on plans. Here on the Pipedrive interface, one can connect an email address if it is not connected. It is very simple and self-explanatory to do. One can connect with providers like Gmail, Outlook or Microsoft 365 accounts and also can customize the settings. Once the account is set up, the next step is to go to the deal page. The new interface will appear. Click on the email tab to compose and send an email directly from here. One can sync the mail with their inbox as well, or can choose from any templates. Similarly, one can email to anyone. One just needs to expand the fields to BCC or CC options. These are the CC and BCC options given here. One of the great benefits of using email features in Pipedrive is that it has templates which can be used to make a new booking. This is how one can send an email directly to a person in Pipedrive. Contact Software Horsepower for free demo. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.